Hey guys, Tanom Jackson from Zaapi here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Zaapi. So by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what HubSpot is, how it can connect to Zaapi, and how it can completely transform your workflow. HubSpot is what is called a CRM, a customer relationship management tool, that helps you store all of the customer information and past interactions all in one place. When HubSpot is connected with Zaapi, all of your chats here on Zaapi and all of your customer information on HubSpot all come together seamlessly. So this helps you and your team track every interaction. So the way you connect to HubSpot here on Zaapi is you want to be logged in. Then you want to go to settings and go to integrations. From integrations here, you will see HubSpot. All you have to do is connect. Then you will be prompted to log into your HubSpot account, and then you just need to allow connection. No code needed at all, and then you'll be connected to Zaapi. Next, the way you use HubSpot within Zaapi is that when you come into your chat, you will see the HubSpot icon here and here. You can click any one of those and it will have the same function. So let's say I click this here, it will show me this HubSpot menu. I can either search for contacts within my HubSpot account. So if you already have a customer data that exists in your CRM, just simply search it here and then you can link the two accounts together. Or if you don't, you can create a new HubSpot contact right here. All you need is just a few basic information like email, first name, phone number, as well as put them into the correct lead status within your HubSpot CRM. But for this example, I'm going to go ahead and link an account. There it is. Once the account is linked, I'll have all of his information here from HubSpot connected to this chat here. If there were any deals or tickets or notes from HubSpot, all of that will populate here as well. So what this means is after connecting, you will have all the information here on this right side as soon as somebody messages you on Line, WhatsApp, etc. So for example, let me go into HubSpot now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a note. I have a note here. It says test notes. I'm going to go ahead and make some additions to this. Test notes 2025. Now upon refreshing, once I get to notes right here, you can see that it populates here. Test notes 2025 from HubSpot. Now this is the same with tickets, deals, anything else that you have within your CRM will populate here in Zaapi. So that's how Zaapi and HubSpot work together to unify your chats and CRM to help your team works a lot faster. So if you're already utilizing HubSpot, try connecting to Zaapi now to make your workflow a lot more smooth.